My name is Kristian Whatley. I ride for Samsung Yamaha and I'm 21.
Yeah, the stand's real cool. You know, you just come back in from a race, wheel your bike up on the stand. It will push the foot on the lever and both wheels are off the ground, so it's easy to work on the bike, take wheels out, put wheels in, and it's pretty stable on there. And yeah, you know, there's no effort with lifting it and stuff like that. So yeah, it's just straight up on the stand.
2011 got help from Risk Racing. We've been using their stands, their start gates all the time every time we go practicing, doing motos, getting the starts done before the motos, and at the end of the day doing a whole load of motos with the starts as well. And through the season it's definitely helped out this year, and I appreciate it. The work, the gates are good, they just work so well with all together really.